Everything we use today is online, from securing precious memories in the cloud storage to presentations for clients. Everything is now migrating data to the digital world. Among the numerous benefits of digitalization comes the use of cloud storage. With the fast-paced life we live, cloud migration has become one of the most valuable assets we have. We have become truly dependent on cloud storage, from working on the cloud to mundane tasks like saving our favorite recipes online. It has become our go-to alternative for physical storage devices. However, this also brings its fair share of challenges, one of which is the upload time. What is upload time in cloud storage? Upload time in cloud storage means the time it takes to move data from a local device, like your computer or phone, to a cloud storage server. This time varies based on several factors. File size: bigger files, like videos or datasets, take longer to upload than smaller files, like text documents. Internet speed: your upload speed, often slower than download speed, affects how quickly data is transferred to the cloud. Faster upload speeds reduce upload time. Network congestion: heavy traffic on your network, or congestion on the cloud provider's side, can slow down upload times. Cloud providers' infrastructure: some providers may have faster servers or better protocols that help reduce upload time. File type and compression: files that are compressed or optimized may upload faster, as less data needs to be transferred. Distance to the data center: uploading to a server closer to you can reduce upload time because data has to travel a shorter distance. Upload time is an important factor in cloud storage, especially for users who upload large files regularly, as it affects productivity and accessibility. With this being a key factor in how we navigate the cloud storage world, low upload speed can be a massive hurdle. That's why we have the ideal solution for you. How to send large video files easily. Among the numerous uploads we at eShare.ai Cloud Storage have seen, one thing that users of other platforms struggle with is upload speed. While some have a bad experience due to poor network conditions, that's not the case for most. That's why we bring you our platform, where in almost no time, all your data can be uploaded to eShare.ai Cloud for you to access anytime, anywhere. Here's how you can use eShare.ai to upload large video files easily. Step 1. Log in or sign up on eShare.ai. Step 2. Click on the Upload button, plus, at the top. Step 3. All done. Your upload will be complete in no time. It's as simple as that. But we don't stop there. We offer various features to create a wholesome and enhanced user experience for our customers, including quick sharing with Collab Suite, instant assistance with our 24/7 chatbot, and unique templates for flowcharts. Sounds intriguing, right? Sign up for our cloud storage today.